Okay, so we're now here beside the machine and I want to outline some of the exciting new features we've added on the machines as standard. So as you can see, the height underneath the bridge down to the bed is after being made much larger. So now it's about 380 millimeters of clearance. This allows for the processing of sheets, but also now the processing of some profiles. So for example, if you wanted to put a 300 millimeter box section and you wanted to do some profiling on the top of that box section, this machine allows it. Most of our competition in this price bracket generally have a clearance height of about half of this, and it does not allow for the convenient processing of beams or larger profiles. So that's one of the features we're after adding, and this is a standard feature that we're after adding on this machine. Another feature I'd like to mention is our Hypertherm motion control. So here we've got a large touchscreen with our Hypertherm Edge Connect motion control. We've also got some hard controls like our joysticks and our speed controls and some more. This means we can operate the machine with wet, dirty hands right here. We can move the machine to its start point, we can press start, and we can reference the machine without touching the touchscreen. If you do want to do some drawing or some nesting and you want to use a mouse and a keyboard, you can just pull this drawer out. You've got keyboard, you've got a mouse, you can do your nesting, you can do your more advanced drawing and such. And when you're finished, close this back in. Your keyboard and mouse are now protected from the dust and the sparks and everything else, and you can operate the machine fully with the touch screen and the hard controls. That's a huge advantage, and we found it to be much more productive when you're running the machine. Also, the ergonomics of the machine are hugely improved.